Welcome to the January issue of BR7 Baking. If you're anything like me and you've had way too many mince pies or one too many glasses of wine, you definitely need to try these two recipes out. The first one we have is a really nice smoothie, and we're here at Life Lab today with the lovely Adam, who's going to tell us a little bit more about it.
Sure, no worries. So some of our members in the new year struggle to get breakfast into their daily routines. So one of our quick fixes or recommendations is to have a really nutritious, healthy smoothie for breakfast. So what we have here is a chocolate coconut smoothie, which also has blueberries in. The blueberries are really high in antioxidants, so a really good, healthy kickstart to 2018. And the coconut milk that it's made for is full of good fats. Again, a really nutritious way to start the new year and also fill you up until lunchtime, so you won't feel the need to grab those snacks at mid-morning. So now I'm going to pass you back over to April, who's going to take you through the really nutritious chicken and kale soup.
Yes, so this chicken and kale soup is actually really good. It has kale, which is a really good superfood, and also just chicken breasts, which is a really good protein, as well as the other vegetables that are in it. So try it out, let us know what you think, and we look forward to seeing you next month.